Hi! In this tutorial series, we will use photogrammetry to generate a 3D model of a real object and publish it in augmented reality on My AR Studio. Photogrammetry is a survey technique that allows you to acquire metric data of an object through image analysis. We will need a camera or smartphone to photograph the object, and possibly an app such as PhotoTimer Plus, a photogrammetry software such as Metashape to generate the model, a 3D modeling software such as Blender to correct the model, an image editor such as Photoshop to correct the texture, and finally an account on My AR Studio. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. I remind you to subscribe to our channel not to lose any news. And I invite you to watch our videos for more information about My AR Studio.